The expansion of China during the Yuan Dynasty. The emergence of Mongol rule began with Genghis Khan. After Genghis Khan died in 1227, his territories were divided into khanates, which made up 4 territories. The khanate to the northwest was called the Golden Horde. It was led by Khan's grandson Batu. The southwest khanate, called Ilkhanate, was led by his grandson Hulagu. The khanate to the east was led by another grandson, Kublai Khan, who focused on conquering all of China. The grandson of Genghis Khan, Kublai Khan, was born in 1215 in Mongolia. In 1236, he began his rule in northern China. After his brother's death in 1260, he became the Great Mongol ruler. After battling his other brother and winning, he became the Great Khan. In 1264, Kublai establishes the capital of Khan Block, the city of Khan, known today as modern city of Beijing. The Mongols had tried to attack the Song territory several times before, but were unsuccessful. The Song had over 1 million men, a large naval fleet, wealth, and strategic fortifications and cities. Mongol warfare was based on fast cavalry. It took time for the Mongols to pick off each fortification one at a time. Kublai decided he wanted to control all of China. It took about 11 years, but he finished what his grandfather had tried to accomplish. This victory brought an end to the Song dynasty. Kublai then declared himself the emperor and began the Yuan dynasty. In 1279 CE was the first time China had been unified since the 9th century CE. Kublai Khan changed his name to Emperor Seizhu of Yuan. He chose the name Yuan because it meant beginning. His dynasty lasted about 89 years. Emperor Yuan ruled for 34 of those years. To keep tight control, he appointed Mongol leaders to top jobs in China. He also keeps some Chinese officials in positions of power. He reformed the empire to increase his power. As a result, the empire prospered. Emperor Yuan abolished the civil service examinations. Since Chinese officials received the Confucius education, they would have an advantage over the Mongols. Yuan ensured Mongols would always have an advantage by officially classifying them as superior in rank to the Chinese. Achievements during the Yuan dynasty. The Grand Canal was rebuilt. Roads and postal stations were refurbished. The development of the novel. Emperor Yuan issued paper banknotes called the Chao. This was a big innovation in the banking and monetary system. The Yuan Empire was the first dynasty in the world to use paper currency as a main circulating medium. Astronomer Gua made the first accurate calendar built. Chinese algebra was taken to its highest level by mathematician Zhu Shui. The Mongol rule stretched from the Pacific Ocean in the east to Eastern Europe in the west, from Siberia in the north to the Himalaya in the south. The Mongols created the largest land empire in history. The Mongols ruled from 1279 to 1368, 89 years, but were never completely synthesized. They maintained their separateness from the Chinese native population. This would be a major factor in the downfall of the Yuan dynasty. Internal fighting, corruption, and calamities ultimately led to the rebellion and finally dynastic collapse.